Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Hey, tell me I catch you again. Don't worry yourself, man. Must catch you again, you know. And all the while I'm there to save you, you know.
Yes, you're good? Yo, bro, don't touch me, bro. Cause I need help. And you see me, I'm angled that a while ago, bro. I have everything under control a while ago, man, you.
Please, sir. I run, me see I run.
Brother, you don't know nothing, brother. You see, I style me a pop on the man, bro. I chick me, they go chick him, you know, bro.
I need to grow up, man.
You need to grow up, you.
So you're going to come in that car?
I don't want a free drive from you, brother.
Sometimes I never wonder if you're the same mother, brother, I swear. Yo, you idiot, come in that car, brother.
Yo, you look, what's wrong with that, bro? You
I
don't
can't
see
go
me,
on that
so.
car, so little bit. So come in that car, man.
Bro, love me out, bro.
Yo,
love
come
me
remember,
out,
say
bro.
tomorrow, mommy, I go here and we need to talk, you know.
So what? From man, this man I just day in my life is stress me out, brother. I'm there, you would.
Hombre, relax and fall.
Yo, you know that my father. Yo, move over here and dog, go on, bro. Go on, dog.
How long me sit down and wait for you now?
Chacha. Mommy, hey, me no. Leave me. I need to talk to him, it's like he can't talk to us.
DJ, me not dey here for 1 month. You need to listen to your bigger brother.
Talk to him again, make him hear.
You need to listen to your bigger brother. Me no want dey a foreign and here say you dey all over the place. Me no want you go people yard, go road. Listen to your bigger brother.
Yo, think broken at this time when I use, you know. Me I
Listen
talk to the
to your
man till
bigger
they think
brother.
broken in years, me I tell her.
Anything you do, me we here.
Yes, mommy.
You know me we here.
Mommy, me not getting no trouble, mommy.
Listen when a brother talk.
Today was a prime example of how I go on. It's like a man just not here. Hey, listen, you know, you say if you're friend, so me thump down this. No blame me, man.
Lick the top down who? Lick who?
DJ,
Watch out.
DJ.
Look on this here.
So much talk about thump and them thing them, mommy.
Me I want never feel pitney, you know. Believe me, I want never feel pitney. You know, some me not stay nothing like this. Believe me, I not stay nothing like this. Me ever give them type of trouble here?
No.
To them see man I run cross one field, one man I run from them. I go there and go trouble man, you know. I go there this man.
Mommy, I'm be like this, you tell upon me, now. That's something I deal with him, you know. Yo, mommy.
Stop.
Yo, man, I cut it now. Cause this man, I can't manage him. As I say, if you ever saw here, so me lick him down, I just say go. Cause him not here. All him there upon me here. Nothing else. Me here. Where you here? Tell me where you here. Where you here? Where you here? Yeah, where you here?
No worry, man.
No worry. I mean, I'm going to remind her about that when she gone. Me I tell her that. I think I go tell her, say, yo. Oh, remember, say, mommy said this and mommy said that. I want to write that in your face, man. Me I cut, mommy. Me I tell her. Me I cut, mommy. Leave.
Right then in a hoof for face, bro. Alright. Mommy. Me I want you, know.
Behave yourself, man.
Oi, done.
Yo,
Done.
you wait.
Done. Trey,
Kill
go on,
me.
go on. Go on.
Look come on, man. Look come on.
So me I warn you.
Warn me. You see say I trade through the pillow for me first, mommy?
Don't know.
Watching me going on for it, yeah. Watch more.
Mommy, are you ready? No, come here, she no plan for left. You see what time? That's why you no plan for left. Come in late, bro. You like see them. Care about something for me, something like you see me know them go find them care soap and air. No soap and spray something like body wash and you know? You know, my size there just care about a nice clocks me, you know, a clocks me beat, you know?
Mommy, bring back a class for me too, yeah?
Come here, man, bring back a clocks.
Clocks expensive in 1 month. Me I go with final.
So bring back a class for me now, mommy, big
Man,
bro.
ask for clocks, a big man wear clocks, brother. Just relax yourself now, you me ask for clocks first. Actually a little Adidas or something.
So how long will I take for reach from Yasso to where she go?
No say, but 1 or 2 hour flight still, man, sir. How I going? Talk to me, man, how I going?
I first mommy I left from my band, bro.
So you feel away?
Yeah.
Feel like I go dead? Don't worry, man, me there, man. Nah, dead, man. Me there, man.
Yeah, bro. So, differently stills.
Yeah.
Can't drop me off for one of my friend them. Cause I
Mommy
see.
gone and you want to go, a friend?
Yeah, bro, cause I see my friend them from left school and the youth are in part every day one night time, so.
Nah, start
see
doing
me?
things too. Depends on how far though.
Bro, I just ride right near half a tree, that's bro, or something like that, bro.
Oh, so, I ain't nothing still, man. Drop your man.
Jesus Christ! Hey, that look, man! That got beautiful man sitting there.
Yeah, the man, bro.
Jesus Christ!
Like beard now too.
Are you this? Are you this?
Are you this?
Hey, me this?
Hold
Are
on.
you this with that?
Long time I see you,
Father,
bro.
life nice, man. I tell you, man, I live a good life. My friend says I'm good long and everything like that. Money I'm making like that.
Drop me, I say, bro.
Yes, man. Say enough for yourself, so I'm going for yourself now.
I'm not getting no work yet, you know.
Mm.
Yes, Ziggy, man, you go up to school, bro. And the big belly boy, man.
I see you, man, there.
Man,
You, me like you, know.
bro,
Mr. Me like, he always cut on my pants out. He always there for less school every them time. I like the man, bro. Bro, but remember in the idea still like you been more saying you been was a youth with just normal in school now, bro. You left school right now. You think for mad dog. You get me I say?
like head, though.
Like my head.
Yeah.
Don't tell me my head. What you do?
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
I said don't tell me my head. I'm telling myself if you ever box me. Remember say I was a nerd from school days now, bro. Remember say girl me say clown out there, bro. I'm telling you, yourself.
I can't believe say box me, man, you.
You box me now?
You find for one thing, you know, you.
Back. We are gonna do. We are gonna do talk now. Watch out. We are gonna do talk now, man. We are back to back now. I'm team. I'm there. Are you ex that?
brother, stop your nice, no, bro. I'm not my ex. I'm not my ex.
I say, yeah,
Bro, it's not my ex.
At the perfect time,
Bro, you're not
forget
changing,
that.
no. Bro, you have a brother.
Bro, at the perfect time.
Bro, do you want me to charge you? Watch it.
Bro, at the perfect time, no, brother.
Watch it.
Brother, at the right time, no, look me, my brother. At the right time, bro, myself from school, he's a pin what the girl. Please, go to your girl.
Bro, you're blind or something. You know, say the man still a locker, the artist, you girl, that, bro. Come on, you.
Who was? I saw the locker. I can't saw the lucky girl, brother.
No, man. Yeah, bro. Swas, man, you the artist.
Brother, my dad, Swas. Brother, listen him now,
But
man.
you are Ziggy.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't make it.
Give me down, go me down. Chill, yo. Listen, bro, it's not talent here, man. From school years. Man, I tell you, bro. You are right, man.
Where you are,
Me there, bro. Listen, me look clean, bro.
Yeah, man.
Come on, give me that.
Like a foreigner,
You give me a song, bro, you know. Alright, now, I don't know right now.
Me drop album one day, you know.
You know some listening?
Listen.
Listen, the album tab, bro. Yo, you listen to the album. In the house, man, mash up the chart. Bro, the dog is, bro, you have to give me a song right now, dog. You have to give me a song right now, bro. Don't let me see my dog. Jesus Christ.
Boy can't chat in my face.
Yes. It's like talent.
Yes, man, anti-social till me go in night grave.
For true.
If food land in night chase, me a god in night place, me a god in night place.
Talent top, bro. It's
What you
that.
know, safe? You don't know, man.
Sing one more song. One more, man. You know you have time.
Put your cups up. Up. Me say the party allow till it buck. Load up your rum cup. Everybody jump up.
Say that got time.
Put them in a field, figure walk up. So put your cups up.
Jesus Christ.
What is not safe, man? I will see you, man.
Are you next now? Are you next?
We know.
Alright. I'm on here, man. Yeah, man. So I go on.
Yeah, man. You're where I did. I'm on so.
You know.
Good, man. Good, man. So you're active, you know.
Good, man.
You're good, you see me?
Yeah, bro.
Mad thing, my dog. Ziggy.
Yeah,
you know where going on?
Yeah, but already.
Mad thing, man. You know me have some program for run, man.
Really, no. Alright, you do it. Alright. But hold on. Come on, man. Come on, man. My father, man. Come on, I'll check this time, man. Come on, man. I know what.
Bad man, them think they ever go out there. I'm a G, man. I'm a G, man. You know me extend that long time.
I think
she can't tire the flex. She have a right on. You know, look about that. We might catch up now.
go talk to her. Mr. Go talk to her, brother. Brother, what you know, man? Not him, man. Go talk to the girl, bad man. What you know, brother? Brother, what you know, brother? No, go talk to the girl, bad man. Yo, go talk to the girl. No, it's the same man, gone.
Ziggy, you're not changing no
no, brother, go talk to the girl, bad man. Talk to the bad man.
You're scooping, no, man.
Brother, go talk to the girl, youth.
Ziggy, yo, bro, what you do? Bro.
Talk to her. No, come to baby girl, no, man. He my problem, man. He my problem, you know.
Bro, man, calm down yourself, man.
Talk to her now, brother.
Crystal.
Listen, you know? Talk to you, my problem.
You don't remember we from school?
No, I don't know, yeah.
Really? Crystal. You don't remember me from school, the nerd youth?
No.
You say you see with water shoes. You remember him? I water shoes you see with big pants and
Remember good now, I really talking, mom. Start, remember good now, man. Alright, watch out. Since you remember, nothing else. Look here.
Oh, put that back. Put that back. Put that back.
DJ,
Yes.
say a good door.
Yes, Crystal, I'm good. I'm trying to get to like, show yourself, you know.
Show
You're different
myself.
now from school days,
How
you know.
different, your swag still the same.
Alright. Nothing no change for me. But you know what can be different right now? You put your number on my phone.
Boy! You have me dog, that's what you deal with. See, you have sense?
I want to
You have sense!
Yo, you know say me go and come sometime. Them youth
Yeah,
used to
me
run naked and them thing then on the road, man. You have to see with him, you see me, but put in a number.
Believe now, you a star!
No joke. So you do your son?
I must have uncle me weapon.
Your uncle?
Yeah. Oh, see him there come too. So TJ, take care of yourself here.
You can't give me a hug. Oh, God.
You smell nice though.
That's alone you like about me today.
She take care of her friend here. Yeah. But that Jesus Christ! But that Jesus!
Yo, bro.
Why they carry this in a no?
Put on my shoes.
I'm proud of you, youth. Jesus Christ, now we can't be this, bro. Why you come with the answer dog? I'm feel the connection, bro.
Man, I tell you, bro.
You say like gonna come back. At the blessing. You say at the blessing.
Bro, at first time, your mouth actually make me...
No, why?
Alright, watch out.
What I don't want to you don't know if it chat.
Alright, watch out. First time you do something with benefit, bro.
That
first time, bro. Yo.
Proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you, dad. Like, she did it, bro. Lonely. The revival come up, you know, see? The blessing touch her.
Oh, God, man.
Believe me, I tell you. So, what do you know? What do you know?
Okay, I'm a brother forward.
Jesus Christ, yes, I dig off. So, you get somebody dig off so that's so fast?
Yeah, bro. Mama, my brother, you don't know him.
I jump you, I take
no, man,
it's a brother.
Bro, listen, man.
You sure say brother?
Brother,
I cannot chill that down, you know. Because he's a man, you love the thing, they find all the time.
No, father, no. I'm not my mother gone. Fly out.
Okay. That's say you want to cut already because you want to chill
bro,
out.
You not get it, you know, bro. My brother, the man move like him and my father in a way, so.
Because I know you're still, you know you love the trail. You love the trail. So you come here, you know.
Bro,
go on. Go on.
Well, Link, you see me?
Yeah, my father, big up.
One Ziggy, you know.
Yeah, man, big up my father, man.
What a way so forward, but bro.
Grateful, man. It's so far to try.
What you doing in my room, Shay?
You need to talk.
Oh, what?
You know, say mommy got yesterday, though. So you are going. Because of boom, I have some few rules of my own that I want you get in your head. I wonder if you are comparing to me, I said.
Bro, just come out of my room, man.
I have a few rules. I'm not joking now. Mommy gone, I'm here run this now. So, I go to boom and write them down. Show you how serious my be. You see, no longer than 8 o'clock. I want you to reach in there before 8 o'clock at night time. A matter of fact. You see, if 8 o'clock I go catch you on the road, I want you to go so and call me an hour before make me know say you go late. Now get to me and say.
Oh, bro.
Oh.
Mommy not give me them ruler when she there.
My time to rule this now. 8 o'clock now if you catch you on the road. And secondly, as I say, again, if 8 o'clock I go catch you on the road, call me and say, yo bro, I go come in an hour later or so forth. Because if you don't do that, you know, you're not going to come through. Get it? Yeah man, I'm my place now, man. My rules are going to count right now. And, I don't want, yo, what you know? I don't even want you to go so boom again. You can't let your friend them over here. It's like you eat that one and see how walk and talk, I don't want him over here. You get to me, I say?
You know you're an idiot.
Oh, me an idiot. Oh, me an idiot. Me no want to talk to you again. You get what I say? When I talk to you, I want you to listen. You get to pray? I want you to wash all the plate them. I talk to you and I answer you. Wash the plate them. You know, I talk to you again, you're not hungry.
Bro, you tell me, bro. Bro, you tell me, bro.
So I call them so the king is back. But there. Yeah. Bad one! Oh, I call them. I know some there.
I pray. I pray for that.
Boy, I'm not talk to you.
Oh,
nah, here. I'm not talking at the man this man. Good man, just go meet the masses, man. Everything active.
Yeah, man, everything active.
So
yes, we can bring over sit over here.
I mean, I'm praying on that. Punk! Where are you?
Watch TV.
Watch your TV, man. I talk about me. I'm dog there, man. Watch TV. So, where's the run a pot? Can't tap you up in no long, man. See you?
I said, right. We have the original switch down.
So, imagine them.
And I had to pull off some work down.
Where are you? See them? Brother, take down this man. Down there. Come on. Take me there, man.
Yo,
Let
what
man,
time? What time?
You see, watch an email giving justice now after 4 of them time there. Are you looking there?
By episode, I said, you want to get
You talk about my father, man. Watch TV, man. I'm not talking about this here, man.
Respect. Respect, isn't
Come on, go around and one pot. I say, bro, tell you that kind of different.
Oh, wait, what do you mean? Move the man. Hey, where's it? Where's it? Because I remember saying I eat, remember I eat flour, you know.
Come on, there, bro. Deal.
Bro, watch it. Yo, come on, brother.
Just come on, man. Just come on. Just come on. Yeah, man. Go in your room, man. So you say, man, I watch, car.
Yeah, you know, see my little cartoon.
Bro.
No, I tell you like that, you work up me away, you know.
I mean, just go look at them things. Man, I left all them things. Right now, I'm fat too, bro.
How you left that there, sir? What the boy nasty, man?
You don't know what I have to deal with that, mommy. Just gone. You don't know what I have to deal with.
Yeah, me tell you, glad me now know over there, you know. Come here, I tell you, you know. Good day for time.
I know. I told me, can't get the money for you right now, but I'm selling it.
Yeah. You know, you want
right now.
You know, you want 2 bills.
2 bills. Right now, I'm free, me. I give you that, man. That not sense, brother, man. I tell you. Right now, you should have my brother, I'm saying.
That's cool, man.
Bro, I'm saying, first one, girl, I get a you, give me,
That's cool, man. From the gusto to a girl and say, kiss me, baby. I'm
Damn, no. Glad, listen. You still did that? Hey, fuck, man.
Anyway. Yo.
Hold on, man. I give back a call. So I'll link it back. What going, bro?
You know, say more going to Kingston today.
Kingston?
Yeah.
What do you mean, go do what?
I link up with one girl, you know.
You said link up with girl? No, bro. I don't understand. What do you mean link up with girl? So you have to be so you want to go to town or father?
Yeah.
No, bro. You cannot go to town by yourself. You look like you're all dressed up. You want me to bring you?
No, bro. Every time
you can't make you go alone.
Bro.
Mommy, I go say you should make him go. And this that man that me can't take it out.
Trey.
Right now, I'm a girl, I'm there to start talking to you. Let me bring you.
Trey, every time you bring me go road, you're the point, you go come back, my foot end my thing
so I can't bring it in. So I can't bring it in. I can't bring it in.
Man, you know me stay, man.
Hold on. If I can't bring you, go on the yard.
Me stay, bro.
Go up a yard.
Me guess that, bro.
Go up a yard. Go up a yard.
Me guess that.
But tell me talk to you, youth.
Bro, you can't be different one day.
Different what? You want to go at home by yourself, you never know at home. Next thing you send about your peace. Like, to them, man. Bro. DJ. Bro, I don't want you to feel like I don't want you to do things on your own, bro. You see me? Like, I need to understand, say, as a big bro, I go so boom and make sure, say, you're always there on the right track. For you, if you go Kingston by yourself, even though sometimes we might not agree on certain things, I don't want you to go up and I don't want you to go so far by yourself. I just don't want you to go so far by yourself. And what would I tell mom say? Just tell mom what I tell mom say. Bro, like you man all fix. You need to eat, bro. Because I know I pass the food around the sun. I don't want you to go so far, TJ, I swear. Now my brother, I'm still look out for you regardless of anything. I don't want you to go on the road by yourself. I bring you to Kingston, wait for you, even though you just tell me, say, you know why I'm a carry going away and I just know say I told you vex, bro. Bro. DJ. Them things I talk, look at the man left the sheet in the city. Talk to them. It was feast of my heart for him.
So you don't come here. You're a man that by yourself, you know?
Some things, bro.
No, someone, you're a man that by yourself, man. So you're better there.
That, bro. That's why I'm there by myself, man. You would.
You mean there by yourself, father?
The man chip off my head, bro.
So when do?
Man, you.
Bro, I beat you and go on with the dog.
The man I move like say, you know, want to come and road, dog. You might give me beer rules, man. Like me a 3-year-old pick me, man, you.
Bro, so now you for the thing, dog. You for money pay thing charge.
So me not man up the thing, bro. And the man keep on up.
Me say, dog, the same thing from school days, dog. You still not have a growth the same way, dog. You still look at young people the same way. That's what you do there. You're in a militant. You're always wild. You get me? Give me this. You see why your brother have it? I don't argue with you. You need some calm in your hand, man. You need to.
What? Calm in your hand, bro.
You're young, you see, you're young. You can't pop a one. Watch it. You can't pop one buckle. Come on, man. Man up, man.
I second time I drink this.
See what that name when him? Dragon Stout.
Yeah.
Make you blow like a dragon. You see?
Yo, you know, say, I link you. Would I still a prima, brother, bro?
No, no prima, because you're young. You're young, that's why you're young. You're young.
Same thing you might always tell me, bro, but you might take advantage of
no, I right, I tell you. Because you're young.
Me and you are the same age.
We
graduate the same time.
We're the same, we're the same time, but we are the same age.
What?
We're the same age, bro.
Bro, you know you're laps, bro. Bro, what you know? When you in a 7th grade, me in a 7th grade.
No. When I'm in a 7th grade, I hustle, I make my own, I make money. What you do? We big pants out here. All of this, isn't it? Maybe this, isn't it? Eh? Maybe this, isn't it?
You know what I drink out of my dragon?
Drink your dragon,
because when you have nothing good to say, you don't say nothing. Alright.
So what on? Some of the time, man.
Man.
Bro,
the boy, Philip. Bro.
About Philip.
Bro, I'm not even going to hear about the man, bro. The man I try, yo, brother, the man still a premium fee clappers on my children and shoes, man, you would.
So, brother, so me I try to show you, dog. I didn't think I talk about him, bro. You know, the meds.
You know, link with him?
Bro, I'm a dog, bro.
Yo, bro.
I'm a dog, bro. Watch it, bro.
Bro, why you link with everybody woman I like, bro?
Because you know right now, you're right. No, okay, you're right, yes, sir. They know you're not right. And there's some link with them because you're not right. You know, see? No, you know, okay, you know, see? You two in a right, two man together, so you link with the man, somebody. Is it better?
Okay, oh, yes.
Yeah, bro. Two man together, bro. You get me, I said that?
That man a try mash me up still, bro. Just now, you see me, boy Philip.
You get me?
I so fast. You pop off the cock there, bro.
Bro, a natural thing, bro. I am a dumpling and that's you know this, bro. You know where I come from? Chilani.
So,
Which part the root? Which part boy come from? And that's the boy come from, you know. You know that? And me and boy used to go school enough together, and if you never know them things, still, you know. So what go on? Hold on, if you ask a question. Come to Crystal. Jesus Christ, eh?
you remember Crystal C?
Bro, what the Crystal, bro?
You know, say,
Bro, I see if you talk right now, my father. I see if you did right now.
Rita, man.
Bro, take your mind off here, brother, bro. You get me, I say, bro, on our blood stream, my father, and come from one wall. You get me, I say? Yeah, bro. Believe me, bro. Even if you talk Crystal, if you did right now, so one Crystal, so tell me how go on with that now.
I text her, you know, bro. You see me? And me and her back and forth, you know, I text her and thing. And
Just I say.
bro, I not even know if she, I say no or yes, you know, that, like, she in between, you know.
Okay, so,
Yeah, bro, she in between, bro.
so that, maybe, I'm not even know if it's a tea, you know, because, I tell you, I just tell you, say you're young, you know, so.
Why stop
Maybe
tell me that, no,
no,
bro?
listen, the texting might be so young. You see me I say, like, you're still in a basic school, same way.
Bro, what am I tell her? What am I tell her?
Who is it there going? Come on, must say, you know, the time hard now, you know, so ask her how they going. You can't just talk about this bag and say, you look nice, you're sexy. Just ask her how they going. You get me and say, oh, she eat. You get me and say? You get me and say?
Max, are them thing they still in her, bro?
No, you may try to say, you know you not ask her that. Because she would have text about them something there. And that's why she's not there right now.
Oh, yes, that's why she's not sure.
No, you not sure. You get me and say, I'm not she not sure. You not sure. You get me and say?
See what you're saying, man. So, basically,
you need to act like a man. That's why the baker me that tell as a friend. Act like a man. You get me and say? Act like a man. He's not a man. He's a boy. No, I tell you as a friend. You can't back me now. You want to leave me?
see how you come.
Seal.
Yo, what going, Crystal? Yeah? Yeah, I can link here now, man. I talk about.
Yo, we're not going to some food. Bro. Dude. I'm to that youth, man.
Play that game, man?
No,
You don't know play this?
no.
Now watch out. One that, you know. What you do now?
I don't know, you have to show me.
Yeah, move this over here, so you see me? Turn this, you see me?
Oh, so I'm going to put this here so, and then take up this here so.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, you see me? Watch out.
Oh, so I'm going to come over here so,
Yeah, take up that.
and take up.
Take up back here when you see it.
So where me I go?
Move that one there.
Come here so.
No, right there.
So come here so. So I'm going to take up you here so.
So I know the game good. I wish I did some me smooth. Back in high school when I did shy, you know. Can be like it from like 7th grade.
What you?
Yeah, Crystal, oh, you know, like you wouldn't notice because you did talk to the artist youth, you know.
Who you attack Swice?
Twice, you see me? Yeah, man.
But you never used to act that way there. You never not one day mention that.
Because but he's shy.
But you still move shy now.
Yes, I'm not gonna tell you that. Like something like a certain way. Cause everybody in the school has said Crystal and Swaz have been married and them thing there. I see it there now.
Married?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you mean you think could have married? So the ring there, look at my hand. For the ring.
I would ask you the same thing still, but so I see, you know, the animal moves close and things. But they assume still. So not.
Assume?
They
Well,
are
yeah,
a long term thing, but yeah.
Yeah, assume wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Me and him live about 6 months now. So why you do that?
You know, I have to celebrate.
Celebrate what?
I have a chance to talk to the girl who I crush for how long like.
Bro, listen. Listen, I could get something clear.
Oh.
I've been out of a relationship about 6 months now.
Mm-hmm.
There's no way we're gonna get together. We can just like probably be friends or like hang out buddies.
So, where I say, yeah, take things slow.
Well, you can call it that basically.
Even though I take bus come myself from country still, you know, just to see you.
Boss
Yeah.
from country.
Mm-hmm.
Come here, sir.
Yeah, we are town come to
To
see
see
you.
me.
Mm-hmm.
See you in Friday last.
No, maybe, yeah, no, maybe I can last in your heart or something, I don't know.
What you say?
Yeah, man, I don't mind last in your heart one at a time, man.
So where you gonna go back home?
That no, take a bus.
Take a bus?
Yeah.
So what time you plan for go home?
At 9:25 now, like, something wrong with that?
9:25.
Like, the time early, I don't see nothing wrong with the people on the place and see them and everything.
The time made early to you, but it depends on the transportation where you going to take for home.
See, pray. Alright. But you not rush things though, like, I try to make me go home. Like.
No, why me gonna do that?
Enjoy your time.
Yeah, me enjoy my evening, but just show you say me care about you.
That mean a lot to me, yo. I try to know Crystal. Yo. See you again.
Sure that's all you want?
For real?
Yeah, no want to hug.
Come in.
Want me see you again still.
Mm-hmm.
Take care of yourself.
Smell good to you know.
You too.
Where you come from? Where you come from so late?
Sure, what you doing in the closet?
What are you doing in the closet? Oh, so you want to play tricks and game? I'm going to show you trick and game in that.
Yo, Che, what you doing? Che!
I'm not talking, give me a belt.
Yo,
Give me a belt.
Che, easy no man.
Give me a
Bro, easy no bro.
Give me a belt.
Bro, what?
Give me a belt.
Bro, take your belt and go on.
Yeah.
Go on. Where you
come from?
Bro.
Where you come
chill
from?
out, bro.
Where you come from?
Bro,
wait, man.
Che,
Yeah, big man.
Che.
Yeah, big man. Yeah, big man.
Che,
Yeah, big man.
Chill now, bro. Some of the most big man in my youth.
You call him man for me murder, you know. You call him man for me murder, you know. Come out here, watch me and you wait, man.
That's psychopathic, you know.
I don't even like how anybody go look for me again. We know say the money, you know. The money now.
So what the money, them want the money now.
But me must say me been a give you money, but because now say me not give you the money, you know want to look for me.
Hold on there. Baby mother.
I'm a friend.
I feel phone this
I'm
year.
my friend baby mother.
Yeah, so you quick to tell like how much you bet to answer you.
No, I'm a friend baby mother.
This
My
is-
friend beg me a call. I'm a friend baby mother.
This is why I can't get no money from you because you have a baby mother. You see, man, tell her about man.
Lord
What the
Jesus.
fuck? All this time you baby mother.
Baby mother. Babe. Yo. And I'm even tell him call mommy instead. What go on, mommy?
What's up?
They are stressed out. Well, the woman, man, the woman stressed me out. But scratch that, I call for talk about TJ you know.
What to TJ?
Huh. You know, so TJ left the other day and go a town by himself.
Really?
You know, so the boy come back, me have to whap him 2 times, you know. Right now, I go,
Yes, man. Yes, man.
boy, nah, I don't know what wrong with him, man, I swear. I'm saying a message from you where I say you look like you extend all the time or something.
Yeah, me get one next month, so.
I just say, you know, come back so one more. So if you're there with this boy, stress me out.
Just give him a break, man. Please. Just sit with him.
I'm going to try still, you know. Believe me, so I'm going to try.
Just take him out. Take him out. Probably in board or something. Take him out.
Yeah, yeah.
Teach him to or something.
Teach him to drive.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to
Just carry back road, make him feel, you know.
I'll try that still. Just because you're my mom and still, you know, I swear.
Yeah, man. Do it for me, please.
I don't want to teach you still, you know. Believe me, say I don't want to teach you. Because next thing, who to tell you what will happen? When the boy slam me, can't do it. Yo, I don't love when people drive in slippers, you know. The slippers are stuck under the pedal. First thing you come in, you start rev the pedal. Adjust the seat so you feel comfortable. You don't feel like you're too far from the steering. Seat belt. Alright. That the left foot not for moving, you know. And your right foot and left and right. Alright. So foot on the brake. Put the car in a drive. Let down your handbrake. Check your mirror if nothing now come. I'm most of that side there. And take time use up off your gas pedal. And keep to my side at all times. I feel like that seat don't want to go from still. I get it too far. Get a little more rev still. So yeah, I got too much, you know. You got too much, boy. Alright, break. You break. This is how me I talk about. What over there, sir?
Road.
What over here, sir?
Bush.
Where if you drive the car?
Bro, easy.
Where if you drive the car?
On the road, bro.
Oh, so where you go?
Bro, remember my first time listening, bro?
Jesus Christ.
Bro,
Yeah, we never stress your brother.
Bro, remember you have to fail before you learn and
Feel but if you go mash up the car, put back the car up on the road, TJ.
Bro, you want to drive back a car, bro?
Put back the car up on the road. Hey, you make me not do this again, you know. Yeah, look where you go. I'm gonna make a drive around the block and maybe you there you kind of feel uncomfortable and thing. You know what I do? Give me your phone, so I add the location, so anywhere you go, I can find you. If you understand
Wait, what
No.
you do? Watch me?
Hombre, may I give me car. If you go up this one in liquor, I'm going to see car move or you come back, I can know. So I'm just add your location to my phone.
Alright.
You get it?
Yeah.
Location to my phone, find you anywhere you're there. Alright. I mean, when you go to go speed, you know. Alright. God, trust this young man. It's a mistake me I make, you know.
You know I make no mistake,
It's a mistake me
bro,
I
remember
make.
say me I grew up in a bro.
Yeah, I grew up. But you come on, the more you grow, the fuller you get. I'm gonna make a spinning block as me say. I'm gonna stand up right there and wait till I forward. That good?
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Respect for your trust me, you know.
Respect for your trust, yo. And I laugh me. I laugh after myself, you know.
Alright, bro. Bro, only me.
Jesus Christ, look for my money I go down the drain.
Crystal, stop playing with me now. What you say? You come up on my side today. Mandeville. You sure you know what name Mandeville? Never know your family Paporus. I don't know, me. I wonder where we will get to stay to. Yo, me talk to my brother still. Me ask my brother car. Ah, yeah, me ask him. Yo! Us, bro. Sorry, yeah?
You're not you, man.
Never know what you in there do nothing, bro. I swear.
Good, man. Say the what?
Something I want to talk to you about, you know. Nah, let's do it, man, bro. Like, third one that feel weak, you know. You do
I
it.
watch everything, bro. I swear I watch everything.
I don't watch out the thing, man. Me I go on Airbnb with a girl today, you know. Yeah, one girl that come link me, so you see, Craig?
Airbnb. Have a good idea. I couldn't bring her to my son.
Well, that's so nice, you know, bro.
But what?
But we just did three they have the rules thing, that's what I'm asking, you mean? To bring over the girl.
Brother, you're good, man.
You sure?
What do you mean? Bring her come, man.
No curfew, no nothing.
Okay. Anytime you want, you can bring her come. As long as you're good. Can't matter thing.
Ah, alright.
Can't
bro.
work.
They want that one.
Just do me thing, man. Elbow my father.
Whatever you like.
Yeah, no tree would I do. I always say me no know me no about bend up your back. Bend up your back. What are we ask her do? Crystal? Crystal, can't believe say you're there in my house, yo.
What do you mean? So you think I'm gonna come?
I'm not thinking about, you know when them say too good to be true, it's not true.
So you're not welcome in your bed?
I mean, just giving them money and jump up on the minute, you know.
What do you mean? You look comfortable for sure. So why you look so like you're shy?
I'm not shy. I'm just saying, you know, when you see I'm just saying no. I would have put you like in a category by yourself, cause are you alone me like so long? You see me? Long time I like you, I'm not even know what to tell.
What do you mean?
Like, you know back then when you get your first kiss at high school, you me the one be my first kiss at high school. Yeah. But unfortunately, I know who your first kiss. Everybody know who your first kiss.
That was then and this is now.
I'm not dwelling in the past, but you know, it come like piece of broke glass in my heart and I see it one at a time. So Crystal, I'm not that fun. Give me a 360 run, listen, man. Spin round to them and see how I walk, man.
Say, I don't know, look already. You go like you don't know my look.
I don't know how you look.
What do you mean?
You never give me a 360. Oh, God. Where money there? Oh,
Stop it,
God,
that's too
man.
funny. We have gifts so far.
John, one more 360. Where's one more? No, you do it too fast, man. Watch out, man. No, wrong way. That way.
That way?
Yeah.
So start the sun.
Shake it up now.
That alright?
Come back on the bed now. Yo, all the bed is supposed to chunk. I don't know what fit. I don't know what I hold you up. Jeez, As me say, I know me know you first, but me can be your next.
I know, TJ, what I got? You know, say, sit me there. Kind of, sorry, still. Sorry.
Hi.
Something like that. Anyway, sit me down, miss, we cook. We want to cook, because you know, you're kind of picky, you know. I'm getting that look for sitting to, but.
Bro.
Where I cook? Want to touch the road.
You
Where I want to cook.
Yo, bro, go on now, bro.
We don't want to cook.
Bro, anything. Anything where you consume, bro.
Alright, father. What's it?
So why you upset and not going so? So why you going so?
Good, man.
So him live with you?
Oh, my brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, him live with me.
Oh, but him nicer than you do.
What you just say?
I look at drunk me and man. You can't run a drunk?
Oh, a joke, I mean.
A drunk me and make.
Oh.
Tea.
Hey, Crystal.
Guess what?
What?
I'm thirsty.
Cha. You forget some water today. But, John, I'm sure you're there for me, never bother.
So, you know water more? You don't read my mind?
No, I didn't know. I just did I say if you get water from there, but I never get none.
Well, I'm thirsty now, so you have to go get some water, give me.
No, that's the next thing to you know, Crystal. I know so far. I can look at distance to shop there and I walk me off to work.
So where you say you still can't go?
Alright, I go. I run it out for you. You see me?
Alright, baby, I'm there away for you. But nobody not trouble my door.
No, brother supposed to do something about the place or you know,
Something
so you're
about
good.
the place, you sure?
You're good, man. From my brother there. You're good. Nobody not coming out here from him there.
So that means I'm good.
So come back.
Alright then, baby.
Krista, get the water. Yo, Chano. Chill.
Oh boy. What's it?
You remember run go shop for you? Get water. Just because you want them, my brother.
Yeah, we never know this is that happen.
And you
Oh, me? Talk to her. As she come.
and you go to the girl, bro.
Me?
Bro, bro. Shut up, bro.
Alright.
Why you do it?
B, calm down.
Don't calm me up, B, and not tell me to calm down. You see me?
Babes,
Don't call me no babes. TJ my name. My name is TJ. I ask you a question. Why you there, my brother? Why?
you really want to know the reason why?
Talk up now.
To be honest with you, I like you. I do really like you, but I don't know, I just feel like you just never did a go. Give me what I really I look for. I swear. It's not like I'm trying to hurt your feelings or nothing, but I don't know, B, and I'm very sorry.
When name? You not even know the man name. Me know your name. Me express my feelings for you and yo bro, where you laugh for, bro?
I still the dog. Yo. Because one big piece of water boy still there.
Shut up!
Yo.
Stop!
Oh, easy you.
Stop!
Easy you. What you do? Calm down, bro. DJ.
Yo, one thing me have to tell you now, bro. One thing me have to tell you. Me hate your youth.
Yo, Jano, feel what man just say, you know. And yo, like the man they are rate you and love you, you know. You shouldn't do all the man them thing, you know. You know, what make you do man this, you know? I tell you. Calm down, man.
Yo, Che, where are you? Everything up. Long time I don't see another.
There, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna grab a few items. Say, man, the part.
There. Go here, brother. A long time I don't see me. So, yeah, how are you? In good?
Good, man.
Yo, man, give me a yell for me. Big up yourself, man. I'll make a move.
Man. So what TJ no link me for, man? I don't understand. I never got. Oh. Because I did
You have him location.
Yes, I do, boy.
I do what you want to do, bro.
Nobody do what you want to do.
Do what you want to do, man. I'm no business no more, man. And like some brother come save me or nothing, bro.
What do you mean by you like your brother come see? What going with you and your brother?
My brother crosses you, man. Man, no rate me there. Man, there with my girl.
What?
Man, make me there. Yeah, that did for hungry more while, man, youth and them thing there. You see me?
Try know.
Man, I try beat me with belt, bro. And then man, I train and know, bro.
You know me can sort out that today and your brother do. Yo, me have something to do with over here, so now. Come here and go over here, sir. And then me sort out today and your brother. Forward.
You say really I start to talk with me and my brother?
Yeah, man, we can't do that, man. That's how me and my brother them used to roll in, man. I sort it out, man. I chew me a converse come collect it. You know what thing go with brother thing, man. You see me, I go make sure saying your brother good. You see me, I say.
That alone, man.
Oh, just me, I catch up.
Wheel! Yeah! Yeah! Yo, let me go now! Yo! Let me go now, bro! Yo! Ah! Yo, please, don't kill me! Yo!
You remember you check up as I'm sure.
I school near that! Bro! Hey! Come here, bro! Come here!
No, look at my brother, what you do?
No, bro, drop this now. No, bro, just slow down, bro. Please, bro, please. Slow down, bro.
Mash me for mash you up in you.
Bro, allow it, please.
Yo, go for murder the man. The man,
No, bro,
the man
no.
that go kill you.
No, bro,
Murder with a murder the man for the
Me alone. Me not trying to
Bro, you're your only brother I have, right? Bro, just follow me for loud that you tell you, man.
youth.
Bro, I don't know if I tell you this before, but I always look up to you, you see me? From a little boy till now, I always look down upon me. I don't know why you always give me more reason every day to say, yo, I should not exist, you see me? Every day, I feel like I'm less than who I for be. I know say yo, I know I can change your mind from how you look for me as a little boy, as you always say. But I respect you as a brother. Even though sometimes I wish say yo, I made it all bigger brother for sure you would feel, but can't stop look up there, yeah, man. I just hope I can change and see it my way one day, bro.
Yo, we need to talk, bro. Man, if we wait till the car stop before we come out. Bro, hold on now, bro. We need to talk. We need to talk, bro. But no, right now, I know you know what I have to say. I'm going to hear what I have to say first. But after what we go through today, bro, this is where I could have lose you. Mommy could have lose you. How about that thing I go through me? We don't even know. I know me and the brother way, you know, hear nothing from right now. I mean, understand. But right now, we respect and love you as a bro just the same. But you have to understand, say, my action my reaction is based off of your action sometimes. Like things what you do irritate me and things. But that no means I no love and respect you as a bro. You need to understand that. You understand? If me have to dust a boy today and go prison, I would go do it. Because you're my brother. And I know say me in prison, you would have come look for me and make sure some good justice see him. Even though you're here so, and I'm going like irritated because we are driver come and I not treat nothing because me and mates, bro. Me and mates how much things could have happened a while ago. What if me did kill him? And his family go so and come search for you. Me need you to live good, bro. This the show say we need each other. You understand? Me know say you don't have me back just to see him like how me have your back to see him. Even though as me say, me not lie. Me don't want to floor him just so he do to you. The anger me having on me is because of what I see him and I do to you. Suppose me never fall. Suppose me never get to the location from them time me I teach for drive. All them things them say, me I mistreat them. I just need to understand, bro.
I understand, bro.
Just need to understand. Nothing now go break with that. When you understand that. I mean, understand say you're a premium of a woman. You have all right to do that. Because I'm wrong. Enough things I do, so I'm wrong. Enough of the things I do, I'm wrong, bro. I swear, so I'm wrong. And God say I know. I just hope you forgive me for all I do to you, bro. I need you to hold that band, my brother. You're my bro. And I know if you ever forget that. We know say you love Corina. And he in there wait for you, Tell me I tell you, right now I mess up some Corina, bro. What you say, you ready?
Yeah.
Right now we go call mommy and tell mommy say no funny girl, we look good.
Yeah.